Welcome to the Super Gold 60 weekend update. This is Morris, and I want to start with some commentary here on the stock market. Now, you might be beginning to see some danger headlines coming out of the financial markets. The story I'm referring to is the Evergrande. Now, this is a conglomerate, a lot of debt, and it is on the brink here of default. It looks like they're going to begin to pour money into this, but this could be a type of Lehman Brothers market move down. So when we go back to our action in our portfolios, we are short, and I put a short on yesterday afternoon. Now, when you put a short on a market like this, you are either going to move up, down, and then it's going to recover, and the uptrend continues like it has here in the past. But if we get into a market that is in default issues, these default issues, as in 2008, it's a contagion because it begins to affect other companies. It begins to affect psychology of market participants, and it happens worldwide. This could have repercussions. So when you put a short on like the we did in our SGT service, what it does is it gives you a hedge, and that's not a bad thing to do. We are heading into, will it play out as a contagion? We can't say that, but there are dangers in these markets, and one way to prepare for that is to put a hedge position on. Look at a hedge on buying. We use the a vehicle from our triples portfolio, a short position, and that works as a hedge against your other long assets. The other part of that portfolio strategy has been to be involved with a stock like Palantir. This is a growth stock. This is a technology software company, but it's also an intelligence company. It reads and has a lot of intel, and it's actually services governments, particularly U.S. government. And it's recently, Palantir is actually a company that bought a large position in gold. And now we're seeing some storylines begin to appear. The one that I referenced from CNBC, and that could begin to have effects on markets, and Palantir, it looks like at this particular moment, is a big beneficiary. The other thing that this means is money printing. And money printing is going to be very good for the commodity space. When I say money printing, that's going to be money printing continues. So they're not going to want to let these financial systems go down, and they're going to come in with heavy money printing. This particular chart is a SGG. This is the sugar, but notice the super cycle channel. We're pulling back, which is opportunity to entry, and it just continues to break a number of new highs, and then when it corrects, it's just a higher low. So new highs for the highs, higher lows for the lows, channeling higher. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.